Have you ever wondered why foods look, smell, and taste so good after they are cooked? Well, this is due to a very complex reaction called the Maillard reaction or the browning reaction. This reaction is responsible for the deliciousness of a very wide range of foods, ranging from seared steaks, toast, French fries, and even to beer. Almost any time you see a brown, crispy exterior in a meal, the Maillard reaction is involved. The reaction itself starts after the food is put under medium to high heat. The heat causes the proteins and sugars in the food to interact and form new compounds. Those new compounds then interact again and the process repeats several times until the final products are created. Each one of the compounds created as a product is responsible for a difference in the cooked food. For example, the change in color is a result of the brown polymers created, and the difference in flavor is caused by another product. The exact chemical makeup of these products varies based on the sugars and amino acids in the food. This is why the flavor of different cooked foods is very different even though they undergo similar chemical processes. Mastering this reaction is the key to making delicious food. However, it is heavily influenced by a few factors. Temperature is the most important condition to be met. The ideal temperature range is between 284 to 330 degrees Fahrenheit. If it's too low, the rate of the reaction will be too slow, and if it's way too high, then toxic chemicals will start to form. Water content is another factor that could slow or even stop the reaction. The boiling point of water is too low for the reaction to take place. This means that all water must be boiled off while cooking or extracted beforehand. This is part of the reason why people like to dry age meats. It removes almost all the water from the meat, so when it is finally seared, a better crust can form. This is also why boiled food can never form a crispy brown exterior. It is not cooked at a high enough temperature. Another condition that must be kept in check is acidity. A low pH will slow the initial stages of the reaction, and a high pH will make it go quicker. In conclusion, if you want to master the Maillard reaction, the three things you have to keep in mind are temperature, water content, and acidity.